Today, I'll show you how to create an unsteady camera shake effect, perfect for adding intensity, energy, or chaos to your videos. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and place it on the timeline. Then tap on your clip to select it. From the bottom menu, tap on Effects and then go to Video Effects. Now, open the Motion tab, scroll through the list and find an effect called Unsteady Shot. Tap on it and instantly you'll see your video start to shake, giving it that handheld unstable camera look. To refine it, tap on the effect layer again to open the settings. You'll notice 4 sliders: speed, intensity, blur, and size. Increase speed to make the shake faster and more chaotic. Adjust intensity to control how much the camera moves. Higher values make it more dramatic. Use blur to smooth out the motion and make it look more natural. And tweak size to fine tune the framing during the shake. Preview your video and adjust each slider until you're happy with the look, whether you want a cinematic handheld feel or a wild action-packed shake. And that's it. You've successfully added an unsteady camera shake effect in CapCut Mobile. Use this effect to enhance action shots, transitions, or intense storytelling moments. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and powerful CapCut tutorials.